Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Bilakre Spoken and Competitive English. Students, this is the 24th video of my channel and today's video we are going to learn present continuous WH interrogative part 2. Students, in part 1 already we have learned first 14 sentences, and in part 2 we are going to learn remaining 13 sentences of WH interrogative. So students, let us start our lesson present continuous WH interrogative part 2. Once again, for our memory, I am writing the helping verbs. So our helping verbs are am, is, are, and the main verb form we had to use first form with ing. So once again we arrange its pattern. So our sentence will start with WH word plus helping verb am, is, are plus subject plus first form with ing plus object plus other words question mark. So students, so far as the Hindi identifications and rules are concerned, already we have seen, but for your memory, once again I am telling you the Hindi identification. So Hindi identifications are raha hu, rahi hu, rahe hain, rahe ho, raha hai, and rahi hai. And so far the helping verb rules are concerned, I am helping verb is used only with first person singular, that means I. Is helping verb is used only with third person singular, that means he, she, it, and any singular name. And with the rest of the persons, we use our helping verb. So let us see the examples according to number wise. So first 14 sentences already we have seen. So we will continue the serial number 15. So example number 15. Suppose you say in Hindi, कौन सी किताब तुम ढूंढ रहे हो? Our English sentence will be, कौन सी किताब तुम ढूंढ रहे हो? Which book are you searching? कौन सी किताब तुम ढूंढ रहे हो? Which book are you searching? Now we take the example number 16. Suppose you take the Hindi sentence, किस बैंक में वह पैसा जमा कर रहा है? So our English sentence will be, किस बैंक में वह पैसा जमा कर रहा है? In which bank is he depositing money? किस बैंक में वह पैसा जमा कर रहा है? In which bank is he depositing money? Now we see the example number 17. Suppose you make the Hindi sentence, किसके मकान का निर्माण वे कर रहे हैं? Our English sentence will be, किसके मकान का निर्माण वे कर रहे हैं? Whose house are they building? Or we can say, whose house are they constructing? किसके मकान का निर्माण वे कर रहे हैं? Whose house are they building or whose house are they constructing? Now we take the example number 18. किसके मकान में सांप घुस रहा है? Our English sentence will be here, in a house is the snake entering? किसके मकान में सांप घुस रहा है? In whose house is the snake entering? Now we see the example number 19. Suppose you make the Hindi sentence, कितना दूर वे तीर्थ स्थल जा रहे हैं? कितना दूर वे तीर्थ स्थल जा रहे हैं? Our English sentence will be, how far are they going to pilgrimage? कितना दूर वे तीर्थ स्थल जा रहे हैं? how far are they going to pilgrimage? Now we take next example, example number 20. Suppose we take the Hindi sentence, कितना देर तुम सोच रहे हो, कितना देर तुम सोच रहे हो. Our English sentence will be how long are you thinking? कितना देर तुम सोच रहे हो, how long are you thinking? Suppose we take the Hindi sentence, कितने देर तक वे ट्रेन का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, कितने देर तक वे ट्रेन का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. Our English sentence will be how long time are they waiting for the train? कितने देर तक वे ट्रेन का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. हाउ लॉन्ग टाइम आर दे वेटिंग फॉर द ट्रेन. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 22. कैसे वे अपनी समस्याओं का समाधान कर रहे हैं, कैसे वे अपनी समस्याओं का समाधान कर रहे हैं. आवर इंग्लिश सेंटेंस विल बी हाउ आर दे सॉल्विंग their problems. कैसे वे अपनी समस्याओं का समाधान कर रहे हैं. How are they solving their problems? Now we see example number 23. कितना वेतन या कितना तनख्वाह वह पा रही है. Our English sentence will be how much salary is she getting. कितना वेतन या कितना तनख्वाह वह पा रही है. Our English sentence is how much salary is she getting. Now we see example number 24. कितने मकानों का निर्माण वे कर रहे हैं. How many houses are they building, or how many houses are they constructing. कितने मकानों का निर्माण वे कर रहे हैं. How many houses are they building, or how many houses are they constructing. Minor mistake. Now we see the example number 25. कितने दिनों में मरीज कोरोना से ठीक हो रहे हैं. कितने दिनों में मरीज कोरोना से ठीक हो रहे हैं. Our English sentence will be here in how many days are the patients recovering from corona, or we can take COVID-19. Now we take the next sentence. कितने बार वह वही प्रश्न पूछ रहा है. What will our English sentence? कितने बार वह वही प्रश्न पूछ रहा है. Our English sentence will be here how many times is he asking the same question. कितने बार वह वही प्रश्न पूछ रहा है. How many times is he asking the same question. Now we see the example number 27. कितने साल बाद भगवान राम वनवास से लौट रहे हैं? What will the English sentence? कितने साल बाद भगवान राम वनवास से लौट रहे हैं? Our English sentence will be after how many years is the Lord Rama returning from exile? कितने साल बाद भगवान राम वनवास से लौट रहे हैं? Our English sentence is after how many years is the Lord Rama returning from exile? So students, we have completed our present continuous WH interrogative. So for today we wind up our class here. So thank you very much for watching. See you again in next video. Till then, goodbye to everyone. Take care of you.